Okay, so let's create our first Node.js script. And to do that, we will need to, first of all, create some directory and then create our project folder and initialize our Node.js inside of it. First of all, how to do that? We can run our terminal. Of course, you can open folder, create folder, and go that way. But right now, I will just make to the desktop, so cd desktop, and right now I will make direction, and it will be my first node project, and of course I will get to that my first node project. Click enter, and as you can see, I'm inside my first node project. And right there, what we need to do, and to create our first node application, we can also create the index.js file, make it happen, make it work, and that will be all. But also, I will show you the way that we can, of course, initialize our Node.js application. npm init. And with that command, press enter, wait a second, and as you can see, our command starts to initialize our Node.js application. For that time being, when whatever we would build right now inside our application is not necessary, but I will briefly show you what it's about. It will allow us to, as you can see, save the dependencies inside our packet.json file. So whatever you'd like to install, for example, from Node Packet Manager, it will allow you to do that. You can create the package name by pressing enter. You leave the default version. You can create description. You can change the entry point. So instead of index.js, you can, for example, make server.js. Test command, you can also specify it. Keywords, author, license, and if it's yes, then press enter again, and our folder will be created over here. Of course, if you would like to have it over here, you should go to the desktop, Node.js, open, and right now you've got over here open everything as it should be. And our packet.json is created over here. Of course, I will rerun and create my terminal and create the server.js file. So server.js will be over here. And right now, I will show you the console.log. Of course, we'll create very known hello world. Save it. And right now, inside our terminal, make sure that you are inside the folder. You should node index.js and server.js, because we got our server.js file. Press enter. As you can see, our hello world works correctly. Of course, you can create whatever you would like to. For example, as we make before, so name, if name equals Barbara, you can, for example, console.log hello Barb, save it, wait a second. Also, we'll create else console.log name. And as you can see, it's not Barbara. We can reassign it, value, recreate it, save it, and as you can see, our if statement also works. And that's all. Congratulations, you've just created and run your first Node.js script inside your JS file. In the upcoming lessons, we will explore more advanced concepts and techniques to help you build powerful and efficient web applications using Node.js. Stay tuned and happy coding!